don't want this to be true. We can't keep up running through. We both know that every time I'm the one waiting for you to come home. I'm 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 waiting for you to come home. Maybe every time you're silent, it's another way of saying that you don't really feel like trying. You tell me you don't know what I mean. Without you I'm out of my mind. I'm trying to be on your side. So I just don't know what we're trying to say. I'm dancing with your silhouette. You undress, I'm falling back in love again. We're dancing in the sunset. We're dancing in the sunset. We're dancing in the sunset. Dancing in the sunset. In that moment when I kiss your lips, I wanna know where your ears at. What a summer, little lover, driving you down to the ocean. I see it, you want it. I see it, you want it. No need to talk about it. This is all we ever wanted. I was a fool back then. we're beautiful creatures.
Summer sun over us. I never thought that I could feel this blind. Remembering how I would give a fuck, stressing out because I wanted time. Now I'm pouring out an hourglass, waiting for the wind to carry me. I wish the sun would go and hide away, cause I just been dying for rain. And lately I don't feel the same, though I've been trying to. I don't know love no more. I don't know love no more. It's easier when you know you'll be fine on your own. But I don't know love no more. I don't know love no more. You say that you know this road, but you don't know difficult. And I don't know love no more. I don't know love no more. And I don't know love no more. I don't know love no more. And I don't know love no more. I don't know love no more. And I don't know love no more. I don't know love no more.
Smell your scent all over me, and it's keeping me wide awake. I close my eyes and hope and pray that when I open them it's all a dream. And I can't say I don't understand how you could walk away